sugar, spice,
Right, because traffic is more important.
It is.
No, it's not. Did I just hear you joking about running people over with cars?
Oh yeah, I'd run your ass over in a heartbeat.
Wow. Wow. And you're the good person here? You're the good person,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
That's fucking disgusting. That's fucking disgusting.
Go away.
Do you have kids?
Go away.
Do you have kids?
Go away before you get on my nerves.
But you're blabbing your mouth about and joking about running people over with vehicles.
If you block traffic, I'd run your ass over in a heartbeat.
Why? That is so unjustified.
Get out of the street.
That is fucking disgusting.
He's not just standing here.
Pretty violent to say. It's a violent tendency to have.
Yeah.
Just because it hurts your
Openly
feelings.
joking about
If
violence.
it hurts your feelings, just walk away. Don't commit violence.
Vehicular manslaughter is so funny.
Get out of the street, you wouldn't have to worry about it.
This is a permitted, organized protest.
It is permitted.
I don't know, man.
When
Thanks for showing us who you really are.
Thanks for being out here today, guys.
Of course.
I'm gonna run him over because
Hey,
my
look.
feelings are hurt.
This asshole's face is going to be on YouTube.
Yep.